The old rule that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west is a pretty good rule, but is not quite right. Very seldom does the sun lie due east exactly 90 degrees or due west exactly 270 degrees on the horizon. Where exactly it does rise and set depends on where you are on the Earth's surface and also on what time of the year it is. In the morning, the sun rises almost east, and in the afternoon it sets almost west. However, you can still use the sun to find direction by using the shadow tip field expedient method. This method is quick, easy, very accurate, and it can be done in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Place a stick or branch in the ground at level spot where a distinctive shadow will be cast. Mark the shadow tip with a stone, twig, or other means. The first shadow mark is always west. Step 2. Wait 10 to 15 minutes until the shadow tip moves a few inches. Mark the new position of the shadow tip in the same way as the first. This second shadow mark is always east. Step 3. Draw a straight line through the 2 shadow tip marks to obtain an approximate west-east line. Now, to determine your north-south line, stand with the first mark, west, to your left. The other directions are north to the front, east to the right, and south behind you. Remember to place your stick vertically into the ground. Mark the tip of each shadow. The first tip is always west and the second tip is always east. Draw a north-south line perpendicular to the west-east line.